So here is how to do it step by step. After you open now the Binance app like this, now go to wallet. After you come to the wallet section, go to assets. After you come to the assets section, here you'll be able to see all your tokens that you are currently holding under these tokens. So now go ahead and choose the token you want to transfer or you want to withdraw. So for me, let's say I want to withdraw BNB. I will select the BNB like this. After you select the BNB, now tap on this send button. So from this option now, it will ask you to enter the address. So make sure to go to your Binance exchanger and copy the address of the specific token you want to withdraw from the Binance exchanger. So now I'll paste in my address. Tap on this option. After you tap on, now tap on this paste button. After you paste the address like this, tap on this done button. So now here is the address. Now tap on this continue button. So now from this option, now it will ask you to specify the amount you want to withdraw. So you can tap on this max button if you want to withdraw all of the amount, or you can just specify the amount from this option. After that, tap on this continue button. From there, the coin or the token will be transferred into your Binance exchanger. And that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.